This is performing exactly like I hoped. Let me hit some of the highlights and then I will share an equation with you to figure out how long it's going to take to aerate your entire yard, front and back, or whatever you need to do. All right, so first of all, the whole thing is made of metal. You can see there's 15 tines. Those are steel. They penetrate 1 3/4 inches into the soil. Everything's metal, and that's really good. It's very durable, except for those 4 little rubber stoppers in between there, and then the foam handle. Those stoppers are going to help the springs pop it back into place, which makes this so much easier than just wearing those shoes or some other type of aerator. All right, so right there, 1 3/4 inch depth. So whenever you sprinkle your sand or your fertilizer or whatever you're doing, it's going to penetrate down to the roots. Very effective, and they never once gummed up, and I'll show you a couple times. They don't get dirty. I mean, you see a little tiny bit of dirt there. I watered last night, and here I am today doing this. I think if I had watered this morning, it would have been even faster. Also, for context, I have a 12.5 sized boot, so my foot fits easily into the opening. I'm also 6'3", so if you wanted to, you could actually pull one of those bolts out, lift it up, and then put it back in, and you could extend this a little bit. But at 6'3", I was fine with it, but I'm kind of pushing the upper limits of that. I'm 180 pounds as well, so I had no problem just sinking into the earth. I don't know how light you could do to still make it work really well, but I imagine if you weighed over 100, you'd be fine. Okay, now let's determine how long it's going to take to do your yard. So I tested this on 240 square feet of my front yard. It was 16 foot by 15 foot. And it took me 17 minutes. I was not going super fast. I was just methodically going step by step. I was not overlapping holes, nor was I skipping any, just one rectangle after another. So all that works out to 850 square feet per hour, or roughly 1 hour and 10 minutes per 1,000 square feet. So a typical suburban yard with around 5,000 square feet of actual yard, front yard and back, you're looking at roughly 5.5 hours. That said, I think you can run the numbers on 1,000 square feet per hour because I didn't wet this soon enough. I should have watered it later in the evening yesterday or maybe this morning, and it would have gone a little bit faster. That said, it wasn't hard. It was good, but I think you go a little bit faster. Also recommend you assigning this as a chore to the kids. All right, do your front yard one day, do half your backyard the next day, do the other half the other day. I think it's a great tool. It's not as good as like a rollout one that you pull behind your tractor or something because that's really fast, but that also costs a lot more. At this price point, very, very, very happy with it. And it's also super durable. I think we'll be using this for years to come. All right, this was sent to me by the manufacturer for a review. They are not telling me what to say. This is my honest review. I like the product and I would absolutely recommend it, especially at this price point. And I have tried other options like the shoes and some of the other aerators that don't have the spring back mechanism. This is way, way, way better and way cleaner, especially in Texas clay, mucky, gummy soil. All right, hope that helps. Have a great day.